Hi there, students. Drudgery. Okay, drudgery is an uncountable noun. It comes from the word a drudge, who is a person effectively who does drudgery. Okay, drudgery is exhausting, menial and tedious work. Monotonous, hard physical work, hard toil. The drudgery of working on a production line. In Victorian factories, almost all of the jobs involved drudgery, repeating the same hard physical task again and again and again. We have invented many modern machines that reduce drudgery. Well, they were invented to increase profits. So a drudge is a person who does a low status, servile, menial job that is hard, like a slave. Really, I've never understood why one job should be of lower status than another. I think the lower the status of the job, perhaps, the higher the pay should be. So everyone wants to be managing director, so lowest salary. Nobody wants to clean the toilets, well, that should be the highest salary. So, drudgery. Hard, humble, boring, monotonous, repetitive work. The drudgery of everyday farm work was hard for him to bear. Drudgery makes me think about these chain gangs in American prisons. You've seen them with the black and white stripes. And they've got chains and they're prisoners and they go to break rocks every day or to make roads or things like that. So effectively they were sentenced to prison and drudgery, repetitive, hard physical work. So for me, I think teaching unwilling teenagers English is the closest I've ever come to drudgery. But during the course of history, poor people have always had to endure drudgery to earn their daily bread. So drudgery, hard, boring, physically difficult, monotonous toil, physical labour. And then a drudge, a person who does a low, servile, menial job, although the word a drudge is probably less common. So what about the formality of this word drudgery? I think I'd probably give it 5.5 to 6. So it's a little bit formal, a little bit literary, but I'm certain you can use the word drudgery in an informal conversation in the pub. Everybody's going to know what you mean. And then what about the origin? Well, there's a Middle English word dragan, which means to do, to bear, to suffer. So maybe learning English phrasal verbs one by one, all 10,000 of them, that could be considered drudgery. So there you go. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. I hope my channel helps take the drudgery out of learning English. Bye for now.